Don't be anxious, my friend, about your life, what you'll eat or drink again. Your body's more than food, and your soul's worth more. Trust in the one who's opened the door. Look at the birds flying in the sky. They neither sow nor reap, yet they survive. Father feeds them well. You're more precious than a bird that dwells. Can you add a single hour by worry? No, but faith will carry you through. Don't be anxious about what to wear or eat. Your Father knows your needs. He's so true. Consider the lilies, how they grow. They neither toil nor spin, yet they glow. In all Solomon's glory, he couldn't compare to the beauty of a flower's prayer. If